A 55-year-old lifeguard remains in custody this evening, charged in the shooting death of one teenager and the wounding of another. The incident happening Thursday evening outside the Douglas Park pool. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jackie Bang.
And I'm Timon Bradley. WGN's Brona Tumulty joins us now from 26th and Cal, where the suspect was in court today. And Brona, his lawyers are claiming self-defense.
Good evening. That's right. That footage, however, it was all caught on camera. The state arguing the footage directly contradicts any claim of self-defense. Now, Leto is facing multiple felony charges. He was arriving in court today in a T-shirt and shorts. He said very little, but we learned a lot about him. This is the moment defence attorneys for 55-year-old Charles Leto allege he was lunged at by a 15-year-old boy, identified by the medical examiner as Marjay Dotson.
In the leader pool and get shot by a grown man, an adult that's supposed to have been a lifeguard. It's just devastating and heartbreaking.
Reverend Robin Hood is well acquainted with the family of 14-year-old Jeremy Herod, who was shot right after Dotson in Douglas Park Thursday evening.
My granddaughter is friends with Jeremy, and she called me while I was out of town and let me know what happened.
It was a little after 7 and the pool had just closed. That footage, acquired from a source, shows Leto, a Park District lifeguard, trying to fix his bicycle. His lawyers say he denied pool entry earlier to a group of teens, as there was no parent with them, which they say led to him being verbally abused multiple times. His bike was then allegedly moved by one of them and dropped, leaving the chain damaged. Leto's attorneys say he acted in self-defense, shooting Dotson and then turning the gun on Herod, who was shot in the neck, and a third victim, also 15 years old, whom the bullets didn't strike. His team says he called 911 and waited for police, explaining in court Leto was a decorated veteran with multiple tours of duty in the Marine Corps, stints as a reservist, adding he was a member of the National Guard, even trained in de-escalation. He also holds a valid FOID and concealed carry license.
It was seen as predatory to us as men, so I know the judge was going to be ticked off. Any man will be, because it just don't make sense to have guns at a pool where children are.
His spotless record not sitting well, though, with the judge, telling the court a Marine should know better than to bring a gun to a public park. The families declining to speak today on camera, but praying together outside. They'll be back here Tuesday for Leto's next appearance. And even with the charges stacked against him, we're told one more offence should be added.
Bikes get stolen all the time, if that was his motivation. So it has to be deeper than that. And, you know, he does need to be charged with a hate crime.
Now, the state argues that the backpack carried by Leto contained 2 firearm magazines, a Kevlar panel and a satellite phone. They also say witnesses do not recall Leto being threatened before the shooting. The defence argues a backpack was being carried by one of the teenagers and was not recovered at the scene. Now, Jeremy Herod remains in the hospital. We're told he is in critical condition. He is a student at UIC College Prep. Meanwhile, Leto, as mentioned, will be due back in court on Tuesday. We're at the criminal courthouse. Brona Tumulty, WGN News.